Good morning, students. Today I will start unit number 5, separation of substances. In this first unit is about the classification of substance. A substance can be classified into mixture and the pure substance. First one is mixture. A mixture is a material made up of one or two different substances which are mixed but are not combined chemically. Second one, separation. Separation is a process of separating one or more components from a mixture. Examples for the separation are distillation. Distillation means it is a process of purifying liquid by heating and cooling. Second example is sedimentation. Sedimentation is a process of settling. Third one, already you have known that, filtration. Next one is methods of separation. First method is hand picking. It is a method of separation used to separate large size impurities like pieces of dirt, stone, and husk. Husk means outer covering from wheat, rice, or pulses. Pulses means edible seed. Of plants. Next one is second one, threshing. Threshing is also a method of separation of beating stalks. Stalk means the main stem. The main stem of plant. Threshing is a process of beating stalks to separate the grains from the harvested crop. Grains means a small and dry seeds. Small and dry seeds are called as, also it is hard. Grains means small, dry and hard seeds. Overall, threshing means it is a process of separation. In this, stalks are beaten to separate the grains from the harvested crop. Harvested means after cutting the crops, that is called as harvested. It is done manually by farmers. Manually by means by hand. Not by machine. Manually means by hand, it means not by machine. Next one is third one, winnowing. It is also the method of separation used to separate the heavier and lighter components from a mixture. Heavier and lighter components of a mixture. This is used to separate the husk. Husk means again outer covering husk from the grains. Winnowing, it is the method of separation used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture. This is used to separate the husk or outer covering from grains. Grains means a small dry and hard seed. Fourth one is sieving. Sieving is a method of separation in which the mixture is passed through the filter or sieve. Sieve means instrument with perforated instrument with perforate means having holes instrument with perforated bottom. Listen once again. Sieving means it is a method of separation in which the mixture is passed through a filter or sieve. Sieve means it is an instrument with perforated bottom. Perforated means having many holes. In this process, the larger particles, when mixture is passed through this one, the larger particles are impurities, do not pass through the filter or sieve. They collect on the sieve or filter. But the finer particles, they pass through the sieve and can be collected below.